Hi guys, so I was asked a few times to do an update on the rose bed. I was trying to wait until late spring when things started to bounce back, but I'm out here now, so I figured I'd just do a quick one. The roses last year did pretty good. I just pruned them a little bit. We did end up losing the one down here on the end, and I think this one was the prettier of the three that I bought. But I ended up planting a Nico blue hydrangea here. I added some butterfly bushes to this bed, and then Clematis, and then another Nico blue hydrangea. This Nico, I don't know if he's gonna do well. He looks a little sad. I'll get close. He's very small. And even then, you still can't see that guy. So there he is there. Super duper tiny. We'll see. I've got a lot going on or coming up this spring, so there'll be a lot of options to changing things out here soon. Can't really say much right now, but I will most likely next month. So I did prune them a little bit, and then I moved away some of the soil and added some rose fertilizer just to get them going. Not a ton, just added a little bit there just to help them out this spring. But yeah, I think the only issue I had besides the one that died, Japanese beetles were eating up the leaves on these and eating up the flowers, so I had some issues there. Basically how I handled that was just coming back here with a cup of warm soapy water and just collecting them every day. I didn't want to spray them with anything, so I don't know if the clematis is going to come back either. It didn't really grow very well for me. I got it on clearance from Walmart, but we'll see. I did cut a little piece and it did look green, so I'm thinking it might be okay. But yeah, so this space, we're getting ready to have some fence estimates done, so this is all going to change. We're just doing a basic 6-foot wood fence, and then I'm gonna see if I can get this area. Will have a gate, and see if I can get an arbor put over that. But yeah, that's the space. Over here, I planted hydrangeas over here, and they are all budded up, just waiting for warmer weather to sprout. There's a railroad tie under here. I think I'm gonna see about getting that, if we can get that taken out. I don't think we necessarily need it. It doesn't help to hold anything back or keep any sort of structure to the border, because everything grows over top of it anyway. And then I like this rock going here. I'm going to keep that. But then you see up there's a railroad tie right there, a really big one. So I'm thinking, because we need to redo this area right here big time, taking out these railroad ties, this one and that one, taking the pavers out, kind of leveling this area out, doing just a nice little square or circular bricked area right there, and then having this bed come out to right there where that piece of wood is, and just making that much bigger, and then it can meet this border right here and keep them all the same. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on over on this area. Not much. I did prune up this pine tree. It had a lot of side branches going off like everywhere, all crazy. So I cut those down. It looks a lot more cleaner and open. I cut down all of the little scraggly baby Rose of Sharon over here, except there's one more over there. But I'm going to clean up this spot right here, and then see about planting some more bushes, some flowering shrubs over here. And this area gets very, very hot west light, so it'll be nice to put some pretty things over here. But yeah, so that is it. That's the update. There's more to come in spring. I got a lot of projects coming up, and I'm just super excited. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.